Welcome to another video on cryptocurrencies and stocks. So let's get started. First news is related to the two growth stocks from the US market. First one is AMD and second one is Micron. So these two stocks are very growth stocks and you should definitely keep them on your watch list, AMD and Micron. So AMD has tied up with Meta, that is Facebook parent company, and AMD is going to provide the processor to the Meta for their data centers, and that's why people are bullish on AMD. And AMD has also tied up with the Tesla as well, and that's why I see huge growth potential in AMD as well as Micron as well. The next news is related to the Aussie exchanges collapse. So two Aussie exchanges have collapsed, cryptocurrency exchanges basically, and people who had been trading in these exchanges or had kept their tokens and coins on this exchange might have lost all their balances. So it's really shocking news for the investors, for the who had invested in these exchanges. And that's the reason I always recommend people to use the exchanges that are trustworthy. So some of the trustworthy exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Token, and Crypto.com. So I like these four exchanges. Do not invest or trade on the exchanges that have got very low volume, or just have a look at their social profiles, Twitter accounts, like how many people are following these firms on the Twitter, and then from that you can like guess like how much trustworthy these cryptocurrency exchanges are. The next news is again related to that cryptocurrency exchange collapse. So Micro Crypto Wallet is one of the exchanges that has collapsed in Australia. Next news is related to some of the quality and growth stocks in US market. So if you have like 2-3 years time horizon, then you can look at these stocks or keep these stocks on your watch list. They might give you really good returns in next couple of years. So the list is Teladoc, Pins, then Peloton, Roku, streaming company, then Meili, Mercado Libre, C, Fiverr, Twilio, DocuSign, and Square. Really quality companies from the US market. Next news coming from Indian stock market. So there are these are the list of 15 companies, chemical companies, which are debt free. And some of the stocks that I like from this list is Clean Science, Vinati Organics, Navin Fluorescence. Navin Fluorescence has already given me really handsome returns in last couple of years. Then there is a Rosary Biotech and Paushak, then NOCIL, Clariant Chemical. These are the stocks that I like from this list. Next news is related to the Chainlink. So Chainlink is one of the popular cryptocurrency framework, and Eric, who was the CEO of Google, had joined the advisory board of this particular firm, Chainlink. So really good news for the Chainlink investors and stakeholders. Next news is related to the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq has jumped 2% in yesterday's session, and a lot of stocks have given really good returns yesterday. So I would like to share my portfolio here. So you can see how much returns they have given in just one day. Just one stock is in negative, that is DocuSign, but rest of the stocks are green, and Atlassian has given up to 8% return. ASML has given up to 6% return. Then Nvidia has given 8% return. The rest of the stocks are also in green. Next news is related to the OpenSea. OpenSea is one of the popular NFT marketplace, and they are planning to do the IPO maybe next year. But the stakeholders of OpenSea are saying that why they are not coming up with the token or the coin, native token or native coin, and that's why they are very angry with OpenSea. But I am fine with OpenSea going for the IPO, because as an investor, you can invest with more trust and confidence in the company that is listed on Nasdaq or NYSE, because that is regulated by the SEC, and that's why I don't see any problems with OpenSea going for the IPO. Next news is related to the crypto crash that had happened a couple of days back. So the tokens that took a big hit is from the metaverse and DeFi category. So if you look at this Mana, Decentraland, Sandbox, Gala, these tokens were down by up to 30%, and it was a really good opportunity to ramp up the position or create a new position at that point of time. But right now they have recovered, and there is huge potential like in next decade, or it depends upon your time horizon. But right now do not invest in this metaverse tokens. They are overly valued. Look for the wait for the dip in the market, and then you can create a new position. Next stocks list that is shared by Danny, who is saying is that these are some of the quality companies that you can think about, like in metaverse. He's saying that Facebook, Metaport, Roblox, Unity. In digital banking, Square, Upstart. I don't like Affirm because that is buy now pay later model, so I don't like that Affirm stock. But Square and Upstart holding, I'm bullish on that. Then Nvidia, Tesla, I already got these stocks holdings. Then C and Shopify, I have also bought these two stocks as well. Then Coinbase, ETH, Trade Desk, Cloudflare, DocuSign, Roku, ENPH in the solar industry, and then in the cyber security there is a CrowdStrike. So all these really quality names, and I would definitely recommend, if you wanna invest your money, invest in such kind of stocks. Next news is about the Matic. So this Coin Bureau, this Twitter handle has shared that he had bought the deep into the Matic. So when there was a dip in the cryptocurrency market, he had bought this Polygon Matic, and Polygon Matic has given like 40% return since couple of days. So really good move by this Coin Bureau guy. That's it in today's video. I will see you in next one. Till then, have a good bye. Have a nice day.